Welcome back to Quarantine Cocktails with Matt. If you're like me, you've been having a hard time over the past couple of weeks. For example, today I was supposed to start my vacation to St. Lucia, but instead I'm here to keep your cup of cheer full. As you've noticed, we're in the quarantine garage today because there's an absolute bomb cyclone blizzard happening outside. So, in honor for our mothers tomorrow for Mother's Day, we're going to make one of my mom's favorite cocktails, the Bahama Mama. Alright, let's bake this cocktail. We'll start with some fresh ice in our shaker. Next, we're going to add ½ ounce of rum. And you could probably get away with a white rum or a gold rum. Next up, some coconut rum, ½ ounce of that. One ounce of orange juice. Pineapple juice. One ounce of that. Finish it off with ½ ounce of Grenadine. Going to give it a nice big shake for 10 seconds. Always fresh ice. And then we strain over our fresh ice. Then we garnish with a bomb cyclone umbrella. Cheers to all you quarantine moms out there.